All right, let's talk about a really cool GitHub project that basically puts your development environment for the Graphite editor on complete autopilot. If you're contributing to Graphite or even just running a local copy to play with, you're going to want to see this. I mean, come on, who here hasn't started their day with this exact feeling? You're all fired up, you sit down to write some code, but nope. First, you have to go through that whole song and dance of syncing up with the main branch. It feels small, but man, it adds up day after day.
And let's be real, it's not just a task, it's a chore. It's this repetitive, manual thing that gets in the way of the actual creative work, the stuff you want to be doing. It's just this little bit of friction that you have to push through every single morning.
And here's the thing, it's never just a simple sync, is it? You pull the code, sure, but then you have to stop and think, wait, did the dependencies change? So you go check the log files. And if they did, now you're running npm install. Then you've got to rebuild your assets, and finally, you can restart the server. Every single one of those steps is a chance for something to break or just eat up your time.
So what if you could just skip all that? I mean, what if your development environment just took care of itself? Well, that's exactly what this project is all about. It's a dev environment that stays perfectly in sync, and you don't have to lift a finger.
So what is it really? At its heart, it's a super clever Docker Compose setup built for one single purpose: to run the whole Graphite editor stack inside containers. And here's the magic trick. It automatically pulls the latest code from the main repository and handles all the rebuilds for you. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it tool.
Okay, so how does this whole autopilot thing actually work? How does it fly the plane? Well, the system is actually surprisingly simple, but it is incredibly effective. It all boils down to two key services that are working together.
Think of it like a workshop that has a foreman. On one side, you've got the Graphite service. That's your workshop. It's running 24/7 with the Vite dev server and the Rust watcher just waiting to rebuild any changes instantly. And then you have the updater service, which is like the foreman. Its only job is to pop outside, check for new blueprints, or in our case, new code, from the main headquarters.
And how often does our foreman go check for new work? By default, every 3,600 seconds. Yep, that's once an hour. It just quietly runs in the background, checking to see if there's anything new. You don't even have to think about it. It just happens.
Now this is where it gets really smart. The foreman isn't just mindlessly pulling code. It's actually paying attention. If it sees a change in the package.json or the package.lock.json file, it knows, dependencies have changed. So it automatically kicks off an npm CI to install exactly what's needed. It keeps the entire stack perfectly in sync, not just the code.
Okay, that all sounds fantastic, right? But how hard is it to get this up and running for yourself? Well, the answer is not hard at all. You can literally be up and running in just a couple of minutes. First things first, what do you need? Just the modern essentials: a recent version of Docker and Docker Compose, and of course, you need Git on your machine. Pretty standard stuff for any developer these days, right? And check this out. This is the entire setup. 4 easy steps. You clone the main Graphite repository. You run one single Docker Compose command to build and start everything up in the background. You can tail the logs to see it all come to life. And once you see the Vite server is listening, you just pop open your browser to localhost port 8080. That's it, you're done. Okay, but before you run off and do that, let's just quickly cover a few really important pro tips and troubleshooting steps. This will make sure everything goes perfectly smooth for you. Now listen up, because this is the single most important thing you need to remember. The way this whole auto update works is by using git reset-hard. That command will completely wipe out any local changes you'd made. So the golden rule is simple. Do not do your development work inside this directory. This setup is for running the latest version, not for editing it. The good news is you can totally customize this thing. If you jump into the dockercompose.yml file, you can easily change the host port if, say, 8080 is already being used on your machine. You can also tweak that update interval if you want it to check for new code more or less often than once an hour. And hey, if things don't work right off the bat, don't sweat it. These 3 commands are going to be your best friends. Docker Compose PS tells you if your containers are even running. The logs command will show you any errors in real time. And if you really need to get your hands dirty, the Docker exec command lets you pop right inside the container to see what's going on. Honestly, 9 times out of 10, if you do hit a snag, it's going to be one of these 2 things. Either you've got another app already hogging port 8080, or you've run into some kind of file permission weirdness. The project's README has quick fixes for both of these. So what's the big takeaway here? This project totally delivers on its promise. It gives you this zero-maintenance, hands-off way to always have the latest and greatest version of Graphite running on your machine. For a project that moves as fast as Graphite does, this is an absolute game-changer.
And that kind of leaves us with one final thought, doesn't it? This is a brilliant, elegant solution for one specific project. But it makes you wonder, what other parts of our daily development workflow are we just putting up with? What else could we put on autopilot so we can get back to focusing on what really matters?